This workout can be performed whether or not you're pregnant. That being said, this is safe for all trimesters, including your first, where both beginners and experienced yogis are advised to be gentle with their practice. Let's get started. Stand straight with your feet about a hip width apart. Rise your arms above your head, turn your toes slightly out and slowly bend down and spread your knees to 2 to 3 feet apart. This is a great strengthening pose for pregnancy, especially your back muscles, thighs and ankles. You can spread your feet wider if you're comfortable. Either way, we are here for 30 more seconds. Now exhale and gently come back up. From here, stand with your feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Turn the right foot out by 90 degrees. Exhale and bend your right knee, keeping it in line with your ankle. Rise your arms parallel to the ground. Gently get back to neutral position. Let's repeat this on the other side. This pose strengthens the legs, shoulders, arms and back, all the while energizing the whole body. Now straighten your leg and relax your arms. Again, starting from the right leg with your feet 90-degree angle and your calf perpendicular to the floor, float your arms up and back. Bring your right hand to your hip or thigh, stretching the left side of your torso in reverse warrior. Now switch to the other side. Remember to perform a slight back bend and not an exaggerated one. Release and get down onto the mat. We'll get down into Vajrasana. Lean back to perform a quick and gentle stretch for our backs and hip muscles. Now let's get onto all fours. Inhale as you lift up, arching your back. Exhale, look down and make sure you're engaging your core by gently pulling your stomach in. This pose helps strengthen and maintain flexibility in the lower back and abdomen. You can put a blanket under your knees to cushion them. Gently get back to Vajrasana and relax. Make sure you're listening to your body. If you're feeling dizzy or uncomfortable, stop immediately. If this has helped you in any way, do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in another one next time.